Okay, so you want to know how to send USDT from Binance to Tonkeeper? Well, I have the solution for you, don't worry. The first thing you have to do is to press here in deposit, then you have to press deposit crypto, then you have to press withdraw crypto here in the left side. This works also in mobile, so don't worry. Press withdraw crypto, then you have to select the coin USDT. Remember that you have to have a Binance verified account with your identity. Then you have to write here USDT, press it, and then here you have to select the Ton network. Don't choose Ethereum, don't choose BNB Smart Chain, choose Toncoin, confirm. Then you have to go to Tonkeeper again and then have to press receive, and you have to copy this address. Then you have to paste this address here, and as you can see you don't receive a memo here, so it's not needed. So you have to select how many do you want to retrieve from Binance to Tonkeeper, for example $30, then you withdraw, and in a few minutes you will receive here your USDT. So if this video was useful for you, please subscribe, comment, share, like, press the bell in the subscribe button, and see you in another easy way video. Goodbye!